A very happy new year to all. To celebrate the new year, we have a natural fireworks show in the sky tonight. I am talking about the quadrant meteor shower. First, let me explain to you what is a meteor shower. The source of a meteor shower is either a comet or an asteroid. Just like the planets are going around the sun in an orbit, likewise, a comet and an asteroid goes around the sun in an orbit. When the comet or the asteroid is coming close to the sun, during that time, it will leave its fragments in its path. And this path will be filled with the fragments. These fragments, which are hovering around in the space, are called as meteoroids. If this path of the asteroid or the comet happens to intersect with Earth's orbit, then when Earth is moving in that point of intersection, we Earthlings see meteor shower. So, when in space, these fragments are called as meteoroids, and when they enter our Earth's atmosphere, we call them as meteors. Now, they glow because their kinetic energy, after they encounter the atmosphere, gets converted to heat and light energy. And that's why we call them as shooting stars because they appear to look like a star. But now we know that they are not stars, but they are just pieces of an asteroid or a comet. So most of the meteors will burn in the atmosphere. So there's no point in wishing on a shooting star or a meteor. Well, and some of those which are really big may enter and fall on the Earth's surface. In that case, these fragments are called as a meteorite. Hoping that you find this information interesting and that it motivates you to observe tonight's quadrantids as well as other meteor showers coming up this year. Something really interesting about how to watch a meteor shower is that you don't require a telescope, a binocular, or any other fancy astronomical instrument to observe the meteor shower. All you need is an open space, it could be a terrace, to just lie down and look at the night sky. These meteors, they appear to come from one single point in space that is called as a radiant. And you need to check the radiant of each meteor shower. For quadrantids, it's a constellation called as the Boötes. So you need to locate Boötes in the night sky and see when it's going to be high up in the sky. That is the time when you'll get to see the maximum number of meteors in the night sky. In order to locate the radiant constellation of the meteor shower, you can use the Sky Map app. And in order to find the best time to observe the meteors, you can check the interactive meteor shower sky map at timeanddate.com. Hope this was useful and a happy meteor shower watching to all.